Incorrect. Coronavirus testing, not what you want to hear these days, but it's making an already tough decision even tougher for a lot of parents. The Florida Department of Health claims it mistakenly reported 30% of children who got tested for COVID-19 had the virus. But now they say it's all because of a computer glitch that they got that wrong. 4 in Your Corner's Rachel Lloyd has the story. Rach?
An ethics expert I spoke with says this error comes at a very challenging time. School starts next month and people are still refusing to wear masks despite local mandates. He says it's yet another test of the public's trust. Landon Frim is an assistant professor of ethics at Florida Gulf Coast University. And as a parent of elementary children, he has a tough decision to make.
A lot of people are in the same position as us of trying to figure out whether or not to send our kids back in person to class.
A recent error in the Florida Department of Health's data makes that decision even harder. July 10th's data shows roughly a third of the children who tested for COVID-19 were positive. That's nearly double the 17% rate 2 weeks prior. In a statement to Fox 4, the DOH said a computer programming error caused that false spike in children's cases. They say a portion of negative test results were unintentionally excluded from the pediatric report, and it's since been corrected. This week's report shows the rate is 14% among children getting tested. But Frim says the error still adds fuel to the conspiracy theory fire.
Therefore, making it much harder to get people to socially distance and do all the things that we know will actually hopefully mitigate this pandemic.
And for those doubting the data, Frim says the DOH should be more transparent about their process.
I certainly would very much appreciate as much raw data being out there so that as many professionals within the health community and people who know something about statistics can independently dig into it and verify it. So people not only have faith in the numbers, but have faith in the procedure, right, by which these numbers are collected.
But he says even that won't satisfy everyone.
The very fact that we're in a politicized environment will mean that owning up won't be sufficient for some part of the population.
Check your local district's website to learn when it's time to choose how your child will learn this school year. Rachel Lloyd, Fox 4 in Your Corner.